This recording describes the plant and processes at Outo Kumpu Stainless, Shepcote Lane Works in Sheffield. Over the past 50 years, the plant has produced austenitic and ferritic stainless steels. A major investment programme in the 1970s includes most of the plant shown in this presentation. The pinch pass mill is a two-high skin pass mill, which was installed by Lowie Robertson in 1974, with a drive revamp by Alstom in 1998. It is used to improve the shape of final gauge material and to increase the surface luster. Coil loading is by means of a hydraulically operated below-floor coil cast system. It can handle coils up to 28 tons in weight and 1600 mm in width, with a gauge range of 0.5 mm to 6.35 mm. The mandrels are of the double expansion 4-segment type and are equipped with outboard bearings. An ABB stressometer roll is incorporated for good flatness control. Coil thread up is aided by the use of a belt wrapper on the exit side of the mill. Roll polishing equipment complete with dust extraction is fitted to the top and bottom rolls and continually maintains the highly polished roll surface throughout the rolling operation. Offline roll chock handling significantly reduces the time required to change rolls. Coils are removed by below-floor coil cars.